Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be super special. I am going to cover each and everything you need to do in the first task of the writing module, summarize written text after the changes. This task is important as the weightage of this task has gone up significantly after the changes. There have been a few changes in the marking criteria as well. Plus, how you need to attempt this task has changed as well. This all I'll be addressing in this video. I'll try to keep the video short and simple so that you can get maximum output in minimum time possible. We'll be having a look at what the task is, what's the marking criteria, how you have to attempt it, what are the strategies which are still working, and what you need to change in order to get full points out of it. I'll be sharing my screen and we'll go from there. Alright, as you can see on your screen, summarize written text is the first task of the writing module. This is going to give you points in reading and writing. You'll have 2 of these in your test. Earlier students used to get 1, 2 or 3. Now this is fixed by PT. You'll get 2 of these. What happens here, you'll get a passage on your screen. The passage can be up to 300 words long. You'll be given 10 minutes in which you'll have to write the summary of the passage. Means brief of the passage in just one sentence, and that sentence can be between 5 to 75 words. This is for PTE Academic. Remember this thing. You'll get 10 minutes as I've told you, and this is assessed on 4 parameters. 4 points for content. This used to be 2, but now it has increased. The weightage of content has increased to 4. 1 point for form, 2 points for grammar, and 2 points for vocabulary. A lot of you will tell me or have been asking me as well that yes, content has become way more important. Now, if we use the tricks and shortcuts, it's not gonna work. See, templates, tricks and shortcuts will still work, but we'll have to tweak those a bit. We'll have to make a few changes here and there and everything will be fine. There's no doubt that content is important, but there are ways we can address the content which has changed or which has raised the bar as well. Okay. Now, first of all, understand, let's say this is still a computer-based test. There is human involvement. How is the human involved? Whenever you submit your response to artificial intelligence or to a computer, and if the computer thinks that you have just written a pre-memorized information, or if you have written a pre-memorized response, or you have written a template, or you have written a response which has nothing to do with the content on your screen, then your response will be sent to a human examiner who will check your content. Your main job is to prevent your answer from being sent to a human examiner. How do you do that? Minimize the template, maximize the content, and tell the system, tell the computer that yes, I am writing on the topic you have given me. If computer thinks or computer gets this, that yes, this person has written the answer on the topic which has been given on the screen, it's okay. Your answer will not be sent to a human examiner. All right. You get 4 points for content. Let's say one summary is given to 100 different students, right? And let's say all of them write a perfect summary. No 2 students will write the same answer. If you and me both write the summary of one passage, both of us will have different answer. But what will be common in both the responses are the keywords from the given passage. For example, the passage is about social media. They have mentioned Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Threads, and everything. You'll have a different summary, I'll have a different summary, but you'll have keywords like social media, Facebook, Instagram, XYZ. I'll have the same keywords as well. So still, your content will be marked on the keywords, not on how accurate your summary is. To get full points in your content part, you need to make sure you write 7 to 8 keywords from the given passage in your answer. What are keywords? Keywords are important words such as proper noun, topic words, words related with topic, words repeated again and again, and any word which is important in terms of its meaning and relevance to the passage. If you have 7 to 8 keywords from the passage in your answer, 100% you will be fine. Next, you get 1 point for form. This is pretty straightforward. You need to write between 5 to 75 words. Only use 1 full stop at the end. No question mark, no exclamation, no decimals as well. 2 points for grammar. For this, it's pretty straightforward. If there are no grammar or spelling mistakes, you get 2 on 2. 1 grammar or spelling mistake, you get 1 by 2. More than 1, you straight away get 0. Last, you get 2 points for vocabulary. You get 2 on 2 if you use academic language, formal language, no short forms, no abbreviations, no contractions, and no slang language. So basically, to address the marking criteria, you have to provide the system with around 7 to 8 keywords, important words. This is important. If your keywords not good, unfortunately, you're not getting the scores. After 7 to 8 keywords, your answer should be between 5 to 75 words, ideally around 60, 65, 70 words. Only one full stop. Any proper noun in the middle of your answer should be capitalized. You should start off your answer with the capital alphabet. There should not be any grammar and spelling mistake, and make sure you only use academic and formal language. That's all you have to do and you'll be fine. Now I'm going to tell you how you have to attempt this task. Again, have a look at the screen, see what you have to do step by step. Or let's say if you get this passage on your screen, you have got 10 minutes. You have to use complete 10 minutes because there's no rollover time. That means if you finish your answer in, let's say, 6 minutes, you will not get extra 4 minutes in the next question. So it's always advisable you use complete 10 minutes. Out of the 10 minutes, first 1 minute, you have to skim the passage, read the passage and figure out what the passage is about, what are the main words. Next 5 minutes to 6 minutes, write your answer, and then 2 to 3 minutes to proofread. You have to use method number 2. While reading the passage or skimming the passage, you have to select 3 to 4 important sentences. When I say important sentences, this actually means that your sentences should have important keywords and should be relevant to the topic. It's not that you're just connecting any 2-3 random sentences. You need to read and see which sentences are important and connect them using the connectors. You have to only use one full stop, as I've told you, write between 5 to 75 words. You have to satisfy the marking criteria, and yes, you can use the words and phrases from the passage. Now, let's say if you have this passage on your screen, majority of the time, maximum of the passages, first sentence will be important because it will introduce the main topic. What I've done here, I've selected first sentence because it has got keywords like scientist, United Kingdom, China, proper nouns, antibiotic, animal and humans. I've written this one, and then you have to write comma and then you have to write second sentence which you figure out. I've got this sentence, bacteria become resistant. Why? Bacteria is an important keyword, genetic mutation important keyword, cell important keyword, medication important keyword. Now, once you connect two sentences, you have to see how many words have you written and what are you left with. Let's say by connecting two sentences, you are already on 65 words. You do not really need to connect the third sentence, just put full stop and move on. But let's say you have connected two sentences, you are on 40 words. Put comma, furthermore, comma, write one more sentence. That's what I've done over here. Furthermore, this spread to humans and to environment, which is an exponential spread. That's it. By connecting three sentences, I am on 70 words. If I'll try to connect another sentence, I will definitely exceed the word limit. Therefore, I'll just put a full stop over here and stop. Let's say after connecting three sentences, you are on 55 words. You can go and connect another sentence as well. Now, what you have to do, select 3 to 4 important sentences with important keywords. Let's say there are 3 paragraphs. Don't just limit yourself to the first paragraph. You have to read second and third. And it's not that you have to select or write sentences from all over this paragraph or all over the place. You can stick with one paragraph as well. But if, let's say, second paragraph mentions something important, third mentions something important, you have to try and include information from there as well. But let's say if second and third paragraph are completely irrelevant, you can skip or ignore those and just focus on the first paragraph. But make sure you focus and read while you're skimming the passage. Read the whole thing and try to figure out the important sentences from all over the passage or the text which is given on your screen. Okay, what you have to do, once you have figured out 3 to 4 important sentences, write first sentence, put comma and second sentence, comma, furthermore, comma, third sentence, comma, moreover, comma, fourth sentence. Make sure if something in the middle of the sentence is capital, proper nouns, you have to capitalize those as well. Let's say if you have connected 4 sentences are short, you are just on 50 words, put comma, however, comma, fifth sentence as well, but do not write more than 70 words. Once you have done this, what I want you to do is, if you easily can, change or replace 1 to 2 words with similar words in the given response. For example, if you see on your screen, instead of combat the problem, I can write fight the problem. Instead of target, you can write aim them. All right. Instead of environment, you can write surroundings. So you have to just change 1-2 words which you can easily. If you cannot, that's also fine, but try to change 1 to 2 words so that you can keep up with your vocabulary as well. That's all you have to do. Last 2 to 3 minutes you have to proofread. Make sure you tick all the boxes. 7 to 8 keywords, one full stop between 5 to 75 words, no question mark, no exclamation, no decimals. No grammar mistakes, no spelling mistakes in formal language. That's all you have to do. You will be 100% fine. Again, I'll summarize the video and the method. First 1 minute, quickly skim what you have been given on the screen. Next, you have to shortlist or select 3 to 4 sentences with important keywords, important meaning. Then write the first sentence, put comma and second sentence, comma, furthermore, comma, third sentence, comma, moreover, comma, fourth sentence, full stop, change 1 to 2 words and you'll be 100% fine. We have updated the marking criteria on languageacademy.com.au as well in the practice material and in the mock test as well. You can go practice over there, see if you're doing it the right way. If you're not getting the scores, you should know why you're not getting the scores and you need to improve the same. That's it from this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, do like, share and subscribe. If you need any help, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make a video on the same. If you need any help with online on-campus classes, feel free to contact us. We have got 12 to 13 sessions running every day according to different time zones. Just give us a call, send us a message. Our team will be with you and we will give 100% to help you out, like we have helped more than 50,000 students till date. That's it. Now go and practice on languageacademy.com.au or download the LAPT exam practice app. You'll get the best AI feedback, which is pretty close to what happens in the actual test, and you will feel fully prepared for the test.